Question number 10, 1.2. A bill drawn on 5th June for 6 months was discounted at a rate of 5% per annum on 19th October. If the cash value of the bill is 43,500, find the face value. The given information is date of the bill is 5th June, period is 6 months. So nominal due date will be 5th December, legal due date is 8th December. Amount of the bill वही निकालना है. Rate of discounting is 5%, cash value is 43,500. Date of discounting is 19th October. We know that cash value of the bill is face value minus banker's discount. लेकिन उन्होंने cash value तो दिया है, face value ही निकालना है. अब period of discounting क्या रहेगा 19 अक्टूबर से लेके 8 दिसंबर तक. So that period will be अक्टूबर के 12, नवंबर के 30, दिसंबर के 8, ऐसे टोटल 50 दिन होंगे. अगर मैंने फेस वैल्यू को x ले लिया तो बैंकर डिस्काउंट आएगा x इंटू 5 इंटू 50 अपॉन 365 whole into 3 a whole thing upon 100. So this can be written as banker discount will be x into 250 whole thing upon 365 00. The 00 will get cancelled. I can also write it as x 5 5s are this will be 730. We can still divide 730 by 5. So 730 is 146. So this will be 5 ones are 5 146. So banker discount will be x upon 146. Now cash value is face value minus banker discount. Now face value is x and banker discount is x upon 146. This will make it more easy. 43,500 is your cash value. So 43,500 is equals to 146x minus x whole thing upon 146. So 43,500 will become 145x upon 146. X will be 43,500 into 146 divided by 145. 43,500 multiplied by 146 divided by 145. Your answer is 43,800. That is the face value of your bill. थोड़ा सा बैक कैलकुलेशन है इसमें. जनरली हमें फेस अमाउंट ऑफ द बिल दिया जाता है एंड वी फाइंड आउट द cash value, but here cash value is given and we have to find out the amount of the bill. Okay. Question number 11. A bill was drawn on 14th April for 7,000. So the date of the bill, date of bill is 7,000. Sorry, face value है ये. Date of bill is 14th April. Amount of bill is 7,000. Then date of discount, date of discounting is 6930. Sorry, 6th July. Cash value is 6930. Rate is 5%. And we don't know the period of the bill. ये पता नहीं है. But we know that banker discount is face value minus cash value. So we can find out the banker discount. So banker discount is face value minus cash value. So that is 70 because 7,000 minus 6,930, it will become 70. अब बैंकर डिस्काउंट का फायदा क्या है, क्योंकि डिस्काउंटिंग जो है वो डेट ऑफ डिस्काउंटिंग से लेके ड्यू डेट तक की जाती है, तो हमको ड्यू डेट मिल सकती है यहाँ पे. ओके, लेट n be number of days of discounting, that is n be number of days from 6 July to legal due date. क्योंकि डिस्काउंट तो इसी टाइम स्पैन के लिए दिया जाता है. ओके, तो आपका बैंकर डिस्काउंट क्या आ जाता है? इट इज फेस वैल्यू इंटू n इंटू r अपॉन 100, that is 7,000 into n is n is in days, so it is 365 into r 5 upon 100, and this is 70. So you will get $70 is equals to 70n into 5 upon 365. That is, this will become 73. 70 cancel. So n will become 73 days. It means that there are 73 days between 6th July to legal due date. तो हम लोग 6 जुलाई के आगे 73 डेज कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो जुलाई के कितने दिन हो गए? 25 दिन. अगस्त के 31, इधर ये 56 हो गया, तो सितंबर के आएंगे 17. तो ये हो गए टोटल आपके 73 डेज. सो इट मींस दैट लीगल ड्यू डेट is 17th September. It means nominal due date, ये इसके 3 दिन पहले आएगा nominal due date, 14th September. अब डेट ऑफ बिल क्या है? 14th April. डेट ऑफ बिल इज 14th April. तो 14 अप्रैल से लेके 14 सितंबर कितने मंथ्स हो गए? 5 months between 14th April to 14 September. तो आप लास्ट में इधर ले लोगे, पीरियड ऑफ द बिल इज 5 months. Now the next one. If difference between discount and banker discount on a sum due 4 months hence is 20, find true discount, banker discount, and amount of the bill. The rate of simple interest is 5%. Okay, the only thing given is the difference between true discount and banker discount. So obviously banker discount is bigger than true discount. So banker discount minus true discount is equals to 70. This is given to you. No, not 70, 20. Period is 4 months. एग्जाम में ये सब लिखने का है गिवन में. ओके, एंड रेट इज आर एस 5%. So now we have to find out true discount, banker discount, and amount of the bill, everything. So let us find out. Now we know very well that actually the difference between banker discount and true discount is banker gain. Banker gain is banker discount minus true discount. But banker gain is also, here as per them it is 20. Another formula of banker gain is true discount पे n into r upon 100. So it is 20 is equals to true discount. N क्या है? 4 months. 4 months मतलब क्या? 4/12 into 5 upon 100. This is 320 is equals to true discount 5 upon 300. True discount will be 20 into 300 upon 5. So true discount is 1200. So obviously what will be your banker discount? Banker discount will be true discount plus banker gain. That is 1200 plus 20. That is 1220. This is your banker discount. Now we don't know the face value of the bill, but we know that banker discount is charged on the face value. वही तो difference है ना, banker discount face value पे होता है, that is sum due पे, और true discount present worth पे होता है. Okay, so banker discount is 1220. Face value of the bill 4/12 is the period. R is 5 upon 100. 1220 is face value 5 upon 300. So face value of the bill will become 1220 into 300 divided by 5. So your face value will become 1220 into 6. $73,200. So that is the face value of the bill. अब end में ना, जब ये 3-4 चीजें पूछी जाती है तो आपको end में सब लिखना पड़ेगा. So you will write therefore true discount is 1200. Banker discount is 1220 and face value is 73,200. आप यहाँ पे rupees लिखोगे, you will always write down the rupees and that too the new sign of rupees, not the old one. ऐसे ऐसे rupees लिखोगे. And you will also draw a square to this. This is very important to write down the given and to write down the final answer, and in between the calculation should also be in fair. One page you should take for the sum. 1-2 pages it is okay. 2 से ज्यादा पेज लगेंगे नहीं इसको. गिचमेट करके नहीं सॉल्व करने का बिल्कुल. Thirteen sum is the bill of rupees 51,000 was drawn on 18th February for 9 months. It was encashed on 20th June 2010 at 5% per annum. Calculate the banker gain and true discount. अब given क्या है? Given is date of bill is 18th February. 51,000. Period of bill is 9 months. Date of discounting is 28 June. Rate is 5%. Banker gain और banker discount निकालें. अब 18th February अगर date of bill है तो nominal due date होगा 18 November. Legal due date होगा 21st November. बिल डिस्काउंट किया है 28 जून को, तो 28 जून से लेके 21 नवंबर तक का आप पीरियड निकालोगे, विच इज 146 डेज. तो बिल वाज डिस्काउंटेड फॉर 146 डेज. नाउ बैंकर डिस्काउंट क्या आएगा? 51,000 पे 146 डेज का 5% का डिस्काउंटिंग आ जाएगा 1020. Now we know very well that banker gain is banker discount minus true discount. Banker gain is banker discount minus true discount. But banker gain is also true discount into N into R upon 100. So I will put in place of banker gain, I'll put this. So I'll put true discount into N into R by 100, banker discount minus true discount. So this will be true discount, we don't know. N is 146 days, we know, upon 365 into 5 upon 100. That is banker discount is 1020 minus true discount. True discount will come here. So we will get 146 upon 7300 true discount plus true discount is equals to 1020. Now if we divide this, then 7300 divided by 146, कि वो 146 divided by 7300 है, लेकिन ये नंबर बड़ा है तो 77,300 को 146 से डिवाइड किया तो ये 1/50 हो जाता है. तो 1/50 true discount plus true discount is equals to 1020. True discount into bracket 1/50 plus 1 is equals to 1020. So I can write true discount into 51 upon 50 is equals to 1020. True discount is 1020 into 50 upon 51. That will become 1000. तो बैंकर गेन क्या हो जाएगा? 1020 बैंकर डिस्काउंट माइनस 1000 बैंकर गेन इज 20 रुपीज. इसका ना टेक्स्ट बुक में पीछे आंसर 10 दिया है, तो मैंने इसको रफ में सॉल्व करके देखा, लेकिन ये 10 नहीं आता है, 20 ही आता है. विद द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन द आंसर इज 20 ओनली. सो 10 इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर गिवन इन टेक्स्ट बुक. द आंसर इज 20. So at the end you will write down thus true discount is 1000 and banker's gain is 20. इधर लिखोगे आप true discount is 1000 and banker gain is 20 and draw a box for it. Sum number 14 is a certain sum due 3 months hence is 21/20 of present worth. What is the rate of interest? So they have given sum due is 21/20 of present worth. N is 3 months. 3 months is 3/12, that is 1/4 years. And R is the rate of interest that we don't know. Sum due is present worth plus true discount. True discount is present worth into N into R upon 100. So what is sum due? Sum due they have already said is 21/20 present worth. That is present worth plus present worth. N is 1/4 into R is, we have to find out, upon 100. So 21 upon 20 present worth is present worth 1 plus R by 400. It is 21/20, 1 plus R by 400. 21/20 minus 1 is R by 400. 21 minus 20 upon 20 is R by 400. This will become 1/20 is R by 400. R will be 400 divided by 20. Your answer is 20%. We will write down the rate of interest is 20% per annum. Now the last sum of the exercise, even though this is the last sum, we'll solve some extra sums tomorrow. A bill of a certain sum drawn on 20th February for 8 months was encashed on 26th March 2007. जब February के आसपास का डेट आता है ना, तो वो लोग ईयर देते हैं, so that you should identify whether it is leap year or not. For 10,992 at 14%, what is the face value of the bill? So the date of the bill is given to you. Amount is not given, that's what you have to find out. So date of bill is 28 February 2007. Then date of discounting. March 2007. Period of the bill, 8 months. Cash value is 10,992. And rate is 14%. So we have to find out the cash face value of the bill and find out the face value. अगर हमको banker discount के बारे में पता चला तो face value निकल के आ जाएगी. So let us first find out what is the due date of the bill. Due date of the bill. So date of the bill is 28 February. तो उसका due date क्या आएगा? 8 month बाद का. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 28 October plus 3 grace days. That will be 31st of October 2007. So interest discount is charged from 26th March to 31st October. So March, April, June, July, August, September, October. पूरा टाइम निकालेंगे अब हम लोग. मार्च के कितने दिन हो गए? 28 मार्च. कौन सा? 26 मार्च को वो इन कैश हुआ था, तो मार्च के बचे हुए 5 दिन. अप्रैल के पूरे 30 दिन. जून, सॉरी मई भी आएगा बीच में. मई आई फॉरगॉट. मई के 31 डेज. जून के 30 डेज. जुलाई के 31. अगस्त के 31. सितंबर के 30. एंड अक्टूबर इज 31st, क्योंकि ऑल 31 डेज आर इंक्लूडेड. तो कितने डेज के लिए डिस्काउंट हुआ है? 209 डेज के लिए डिस्काउंट हुआ है. So what is the period of discounting? 209 upon 365. That is 3 by 5 days. Now we don't know the face value, but we know the period, we know the rate. We don't know the face value. We don't even know the banker discount. But we know that banker discount is face value minus cash value. That is face value minus 10,992. And we also know that banker discount is face value into N into R upon 100. So face value minus 10,992. Face value into N. N is 209 upon 365 into R is 14%. And now we'll try to solve this. So this will be face value minus 10,992 is equals to face value. This is 219 upon 365. We have already calculated is to be 3 by 5. I'll write it as 3 by 5. So face value into 14 threes are 42 upon 500 we'll say. So I'll take this the on this side and 10,992 in here. So face value minus face value into 42 upon 500 is equals to 10,992. Face value taken common, 1 minus 42 upon 500 is equals to 10,992. So face value will be 500 minus 42 upon 500 is equals to 10,992. So face value will become 458 upon 500 is equals to 10,992. So face value will become 10,992 into 500 upon 458. That is 12,000. 12,000 is the face value of the bill. The 12,000 is the face value of the bill, which is discounted 219 days before, and the cash value becomes 10,992. इसको डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा ना एनालाइज करते टाइम पे टाइम लग जाता है, लेकिन हमको एक बात याद रखनी है कि फॉर्मूला तो 2-3 ही है गिन चुन के, जैसे बैंकर डिस्काउंट इज फेस वैल्यू माइनस कैश वैल्यू, बैंकर डिस्काउंट इज बैंकर डिस्काउंट माइनस टू डिस्काउंट, ये ऐसे 2-4 ही फॉर्मूलेज है। तो जो वैल्यू दी है वही फॉर्मूले यूज करने। यहाँ पे कैश वैल्यू दी थी इसलिए मैंने ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया। किसी और सम में उन्होंने ट्रू डिस्काउंट और बैंकर डिस्काउंट दिया था तो हम लोगों ने वो फॉर्मूला यूज किया। अगर आप इस तरह से याद रखोगे तो वो याद रह जाएगा। प्लस प्रैक्टिस।